Hello. Next paragraph. My grandmother, Rustaka, never went to school, so she would not read it. Every Wednesday, the magazine would come and would read the new episode of this story to her. During that time, she would forget all her works and listen with the greatest concentration. My grandmother too never went to Kashi, and she identified herself with the novel's protagonist. So, more than anybody else, she was the one most interested in knowing what happened next in the story and used to insist that I read the series out to her. Do you understand the meaning? Very simple. My grandmother, the girl's grandmother, Chitraga, never went to school, so she would not read. The girl's grandmother, she does not know how to read because she did not went to the school. Every Wednesday, the magazine would come and would read the news episode of the story to her. Every Wednesday, it is a weekly magazine. So every Wednesday, this weekly magazine came in their home. At that time, the small little girl, she helped grandmother to understand the story. But during that time, she would forget all her works and listen the story greatest concentration. My grandmother too never went to Kashi, and she identified herself with the novel's protagonist. Protagonist means content. So more than anybody else, she was the one most interested in knowing what happened next in the story and used to insist that I read the serial out to her. And the grandmother, she was very anxious to know what will happen the next lesson or next chapter, and so she eagerly waiting for the next episode or next chapter of that novel. It is a weekly magazine. The next lesson means the next week that lesson will come. Then once I went for a wedding with my cousins to the neighboring village. In those days, the wedding was a great event. One day, the little girl, 12 or 13 years old, she went to participate in a marriage ceremony at a village. Once I went for a wedding with my cousins to a neighboring village around 15 or 20 kilometers distant from her home. But in those days, the wedding was a great event. Now also, the wedding was a great event, but in those days, it was a great event. We children enjoyed ourselves thoroughly. We would eat and play endlessly, savoring the freedom because all the elders were busy. Do you know our marriage ceremony function or function time? The children are very happy. They are enjoying. They are playing. They are eating. They are talking to their friends. There is no restrictions. They got complete all full freedom. Because the elders, they are so busy, so they do not have sufficient time to listen their kids. So the children are very free. They are enjoying the leisure time by eating, drinking, talking, like that. I went for a couple of days, but ended up staying there for a week. Actually, I planned to stay a couple of days. A couple of days means only 2 days. But I decided to stay at the marriage home for 1 week. When I came back to my village, I saw my grandmother in tears. Tears means after the marriage ceremony, the girl, little girl, she came back from the village after participating that ceremony, annual marriage function. At that time, I saw her grandmother in tears. In tears means the grandmother, she was crying. Then I was surprised, for I had never seen her cry even in most of difficult situations. It was the first time the little girl saw her grandmother was crying. It was the first time. What had happened? I worried. Ava, is everything all right? Are you okay? Ave. Ave is a nickname. The little girl called her grandmother. Ave, is everything all right? Are you okay? She nodded but did not reply. Nodded means this type of actions. That's a positive actions. Just the reply of physical or just actions. I did not understand her but forget the incident. In the night after dinner, we were sleeping on the open terrace of the house. It was a summer night and there was full moon. Away came and sat next to me. After the dinner, they were sitting on the terrace. After the dinner, at that the grandmother came and sat next to me means just side or just near the little girl. Her affectionate hands touched my forehead. Affectionate hands touched my forehead means this portion. I like that this type of actions. Then I realized that she wanted to speak. Then I know it. Actually, my grandmother, she would like to speak me. I asked her, "What's the matter?" Then, when I was a young girl, then the grandmother started her own story in front of the little girl. When I was a young girl, I lost my mother. There was nobody to look after me and guide me. My father was a busy man and got married again. In those days, people never considered education essential for girls. That olden times, the girls' education that was not compulsory. So I never went to school. I got married very young and had children. At the age of very young time, she got married. The grandmother, she got married and had children also. I became very busy. Later I had grandchildren and always felt so much happiness in cooking and feeding all of you. At times I used to regret not going to school. So I made sure that my children and grandchildren studied well. The grandmother, she lost her mother, then she married. Her father was very busy. After the marriage, then children, they engaged in their life busy. That time, she would not go to the school for studies. Now she was regretting. Now she was very sad. Then I would not understand why my 62 years old grandmother was telling me at 12 years old the story of her life in the middle of the night. Actually, the little girl, she does not understand what the grandmother is telling to her. I would not understand. The little girl understood because the grandmother actually she had 62 years old. The little girl has only 12 years old. Why a 62-year mother is telling her own story in front of a little girl when bedtime time around 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock time. At that time they were sitting on the terrace. But I know I loved her immensely and there had to be some reason why she was talking to you. I looked at her face. It was unhappy and eyes were filled with tears. After narrating her own story, the grandmother was crying. It was unhappy and eyes were filled with tears. Ava, don't cry. What's the matter? Can I help you in a way? Yes, I need your help. You know, when you were away, Karmavira came as usual. What is Karmavira? Karmavira is a name of the weekly magazine. When she was at the village to participate the marriage ceremony, at that day the Karmavira, the weekly magazine, came at the home. But the problem is that no one was there to read and understand the story to grandmother. I opened the magazines. I saw the picture and accompanies the story of Kashi Yatra. And I would not understand anything that was written because she does not know reading or writing. Then I waited eagerly for you to return. I felt you would come early and read for me. I would have asked somebody in this village, but I was too embarrassed to do so. I felt very dependent and helpless. We are all well off, but what is the use of money when I cannot be independent? Actually, the grandmother, she was waiting for her granddaughter. At that time, she was participating in the marriage ceremony at the village. She came back after 2 weeks. So, she can read the Kashi Yatra, the story. That is the reason for his crying. That it is the reason for the unhappiness mood of grandmother. Okay, the next part we will can study the next part of the video.